The journey of twin flames is not constantly bathed in the warm glow of unity. It often involves periods of separation, where the pain one feels resonates in the heart of the other. Today, let's unravel the signs that your twin flame partner feels pain, too, during the twin flame separation. Intense emotional turmoil. One of the most palpable signs that your twin flame feels separation pain is the mirroring of intense emotional turmoil. Twin flames share an emotional connection that transcends the physical realm. If you find yourself engulfed in waves of sadness, longing, or confusion, your twin flame is likely navigating a similar emotional storm at this time. The ebb and flow of emotions between twin flames often reflect a shared inner landscape. Synchronicities and Signs. The universe communicates with us in mysterious ways, and synchronicities and signs play a significant role in twin flames. Suppose you notice an abundance of synchronicities, such as seeing the exact numbers and symbols or hearing the same songs repeatedly. In that case, it may indicate that your twin flame is also tuned to these cosmic messages. The universe is orchestrating a symphony of connection, reminding both souls of the profound bond that persists despite physical separation. Dreams of reunion. Dreams are windows to the subconscious, and in the realm of twin flame separation, they often become the path upon which the souls paint their shared desires. If you consistently dream of your twin flame or experience vivid dreams of reunion, it could be a sign that your twin flame is also grappling with the longing for connection in the heavenly realm. Dreams become a bridge between the physical and spiritual, offering solace and connection beyond time and space constraints. Unexplained physical sensations. Suppose you experience sudden warmth, tingling, or an inexplicable feeling of closeness when thinking about your twin flame. In that case, it indicates that your twin flame is also tuned to this energetic exchange. The connection between twin flames extends beyond the physical realm, and these sensations remind you of the unseen threads binding your soul. Telepathic communication. The telepathic connection between twin flames is a phenomenon that defies logical explanation. Receiving thoughts, feelings, or messages from your twin flame without apparent physical communication suggests a telepathic exchange. During periods of separation, this telepathic link becomes more pronounced, allowing both souls to communicate profoundly despite the physical distance.